Hello students, let's quickly do this numerical which is frequently asked. Normally in energetics, malate shuttle is considered by default and all the energetics are done that way. But this question is asking you how many net ATPs are formed if aerobic glycolysis uses glycerol phosphate shuttle. So suppose left side is cytoplasm, right side is mitochondria and this is inner mitochondrial membrane. So we have glucose to pyruvate. One glucose gets converted to 2 pyruvate. In energetics, we have minus 2 ATP because 2 ATPs are used. One at hexokinase, other at PFK1 enzyme. Plus 4 ATP because there are 2 substrate level phosphorylation steps. Then 2 NADH are formed at glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase step. These 2 NADH have to go into ETC to give energy, but they are going via glycerol phosphate shuttle. When they go via glycerol phosphate shuttle, then we get 2 FADH2 in the mitochondria. This will give 3 ATPs. So total is minus 2 plus 4 and plus 3. This is 5 ATPs. So normally aerobic glycolysis gives 7 ATPs. Now because of glycerol phosphate shuttle only 5 ATPs. Best of luck. Bye bye.